Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. Have an important announcement for you today. Trump did tweet that they paused yet again. So at this point, I'm sure a lot of you have noticed the pattern. Trump says, hey, we're going to slap this country, that country with tariffs. Stock market goes down. And then he later announces a pause. Stock market go up. Watch Ionq. I think you need to keep a close eye on it on Tuesday because in post market it did not sell off. It's at 45.50. And if this breaks out above 45, we go to 50 and then all-time highs at 54, possibly to 75. I've seen this before with HIMS. I've seen it with Pltr, where it broke 50 and then eventually went to 125 before dumping back to like 60s. And then now it's at all-time highs. I'm talking about Pltr. So I think Ionq, there's an opportunity here if we get that breakout. But that's about it. That would be where the opportunity is on the breakout. There has been no pullback in terms of us having a red day. The fact that buyers showed up for Ionq yet again, despite the selling pressure that came in and we closed on a green candle near that resistance. If we break out, assuming no gap down on Tuesday, there's money to be made. I will be on top of it and other stocks as well, because we should pump. We should pump. This is just a rinse and repeat. Trump announces tariff, then there's a pause, and thus the cycles repeat. This is a buy. It always has been a buy. I've been talking about this one since it was under that 200 WMA. Has a price target of $40, 30 to 50. Pltr has price targets of like 35 to 50, and it's at 125 right now, around 125. So these analysts, from what I can tell, they always try to keep it nice and low. My personal target for Ionq is 100. And people laughed at me when I said Pltr, hey, if Pltr breaks 30, it's going to go to 50. If Pltr breaks 50, it goes to 100. It happened. Is it going to happen this week? Is it going to happen tomorrow? No. It's not going to rocket straight to 100. It does not have that kind of share structure it's not a low float. It doesn't have the kind of share structure to move dollars on a whim. So it's not going to happen right away. There will be pullbacks along the way. But if we do break out above that 50, I think we go to 60, 75, 90, and then 100. After 100, the sky's the limit, but that's about it. I think that's all I have to say with regards to Ionq. I've already shown the financials before. That's really what we look at. We try to be like Warren Buffett. What are the financials looking like? This is one of the best quantum stocks. Look at their revenues. 11 million to 22 to 43. Let's see what 2025 brings. Other than that, I recommend sticking to Ionq over the other quantum stocks. The other quantum stocks, they're moving too, but it's really Ionq that's got the eyeballs. And where there's the eyeballs, there's volume and hype. And when there's volume and hype, there's momentum, and you can take advantage of that and ride it up if it continues on Tuesday. That's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I'm not going to continue to pound the table. It's up to you to execute. If you're in the Discord, be ready.